So these are the project what we listed, like project introduction, one documentation, like high level design document, something like that. And next is data scraping, how we did the data scraping. Some we need to assign some people, so based on they need to create the documentation. And the feature engineering or EDA what we do, and the modeling part. Arima, we tried with Arima, Profile, LSTM, different models, right? So we have the code, right? So some people have to learn and create a documentation. What we tried, what is the pros and cons of that?
Lakshmi, again, these tasks only Sripati is new, but once he can
Yes,
easily go through it. My thing
yes,
is, this was already discussed, right? So, if
yes, yes.
now the point is like somebody has to take ownership of one task, and
Yeah, this is the one
he
more
will be
now. Yeah.
given two or three people, whatever the task required, right? Then
Hmm.
internally he will coordinate and he will take that ownership, and he will come out with some type of output, and he will
Yes,
share that
correct.
knowledge. That is the point in discussing here. So coming to, we are in a modeling stage.
From fourth,
From fourth
from
modeling
fourth
also,
actually,
we are
from
not
fourth.
concentrating more. So many hours we have, days we have spent on that. So which we are yet to explore more is from task 4. Okay, so these even we haven't looked into it, even not started. What is there inside it? Like research papers, they are going through it, and web development task or deployment task, we haven't started. Maybe people know deployment or GUI this part, but still we haven't started it. Even we thought of implementing with a different cloud platforms and all those. So that at least initiation, if it was started and ownership was taken, then at least parallelly it will be going. Once the models which LSTM also was ready, maybe accuracy maybe less or a little bit more, but we can at least try parallel task from task 4. That is the plan. So, Narayana, you were telling that you were taking the ownership of Docker and Kubernetes, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
And
I will do that.
coming back to like Aman, which one from Task Force you will be interested in?
Task for deployment.
Deployment, okay, good. And who else is Shubham? Shubham Nayak, you can unmute. Even Srikanth, so that now he will like mention names there. Already names was there. If it was
We'll give a first name here so that who are the ownership,
Srikanth,
they will take
then
that.
if it is sequence, it is like
This
Srikanth. Which one you are more aware of? Already you are doing research papers, right? Then Srikanth already
Yes,
name
yes,
is there.
yes. I
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay. Srikanth,
and
Rajesh, and Priyanshu. Yeah, these
Priyanshu
people are
already there. Then
these are take should take ownership
take
actually.
ownership.
Okay,
Then
deployment. Somebody said, right? Who said deployment?
deployment, give my name, no? Web development or
Okay.
GUI. Web development and GUI, both we can combine. That is not a deal. I think both
Okay.
six
Yeah.
and five
So can I
give.
can I can I give it for you? Like Pranit also will join
Yes,
there.
yes, yeah. Give my name in
Okay.
at 6.
Okay. Like first people are the main owners actually. Okay, I'll
No,
change it remaining. Yeah. Here also GUI.
yeah,
I
GUI
think
also.
both are same.
Both
Both are
are
same. You can combine if at all. So
correct.
here I don't know Rajesh if he is joined, so I'll make him at the end. So Priyanshu or Srikanth is the main one here.
Uh,
Research papers. So this one web development and UI, you will be owning and
mm.
you will be adding people there. And deployment one, who's at Raman?
Aman told.
Yes, yes.
Okay, like a first point of contact from for our side.
Correct, correct.
This is the one. You can add it
Sir,
if at all
I can
anybody.
also work on deployment.
Okay, Suprad, right? Okay,
Yes, yes.
yeah, okay. Like cron job.
Cron job, maybe Sripati, you can take that one. So this is new to everyone. So if you are good to take the task, then it will be nice.
Or we'll go to
Yeah,
yeah that one. Okay.
yeah, because I'm not aware of the current situation where we are. So
Anything will be okay if cron job. Okay, what that has to be done in this, like a little
That
bit of.
is like see we are running modeling part one time and we are building the model, right? So once the database
Mm,
new database comes means we have to take that
mm,
database and we have to remodel again. Not remodeling, we can say, like build the model with the new database, so
mhm.
that the parameters whatever it is their coefficients, these things will adjust accordingly and give the best out of it prediction.
Okay.
This includes like scrapping, automatically scrapping. So databases. Actually, this is a big task among the available Docker and Kubernetes. I don't know how much it is difficulty level it is, but cron job, which I feel is like automation of the modeling. When the database is getting updated, then we have to include that database into our thing. After that, taking that again automatically, even the model or the questions whatever it is, it has to get updated.
So there is something called flag will be used. Something those things will come in the picture.
That is what. So nobody's
Okay.
clear
Okay.
with that
Okay.
task.
We
But
will
you
explore. Okay.
understood that concept, right? What is need to be
Concept
done?
is like it's an incremental way of training, like running the model on the new data. That is what I understood. Like,
Means
you know.
in real time, the database we will not build a model at once, right? So daily
Uh,
new database will be coming up. Like with that, again the
it's
model accuracy can be improved, or we can rebuild that
no.
model.
There are two things. One is like one defined model is there, and the new data is coming. It is going to forecast the thing, and the other is like retraining the model itself, like retraining the entire stuff,
Correct.
and creating a new model. So, what exactly we are trying to achieve here? Retraining
Retraining
or
only.
with the.
With building, I used the word, but it's like retraining, you can say.
Hmm. Okay.
Yeah, Ishwar, one question like this cron job and all is more or less a data pipeline thing only. Like we have to get the new data and also like it should automatically
Both.
build the model and it should automatically
Correct. So
correct. Na?
getting the data means whatever we are
Yeah.
doing one time, it has to be
Mm.
updated on a cyclic way.
Got it. Or some sort of scheduled job kind
Yes,
of thing,
yes,
right?
scheduled kind of thing.
Okay, got it. Right. No, like I want to know like do we have a like no a defined no timelines for each of the activity or something
See,
like no maybe a 1 month 1.5 month for research papers or something
uh,
because
see,
I want to involve into this cron job activity. That's the reason I'm actually asking.
if you are really interested, you can say
Yeah.
the task are in front of you. You are free to take any task. Okay, it is not fixed that you have been assigned one task. I have stick to that. Okay, now you decide, since we are the starting phase, right, for you. So you can
Mm-hmm.
just take your task whichever it is interested, and you can take that one. No problem.
Then I would opt also for the seventh activity because it is a scratch, so
That is what.
I may
So
take time to
based
yeah.
on that, your time availability and your like means how much you can like able to do in a weekly basis. Okay, because every weekly
Okay.
we have to give some update, right? So if you can
Mm-hmm.
do on both activities, it is well and good. But if you want to concentrate on first this one and second that one, that also good. So you just define yourself how you are going to do, so that we will make the schedules accordingly.
Eh, Okay, maybe I'll get back on this.
Okay, no problem.
This
So until that,
yeah. Okay.
keep your name under research paper. You update me
Yes.
or
Yes. Yes.
Lakshmi. It will be no problem. Uh,
Yeah,
so
I can do that. I can do that. Yes.
so
Thank you.
documentation again.
So shall I put a whose name here? Cron job.
Sripati.
Okay. For now, he will add other rest of the people to
Yes,
follow
correct.
up on it. Okay. So we need some person to who will actually documentation. We'll need to assign to person. He will follow up with the corresponding people on documentation.
We who else we have left out? Raviteja, Shubham, right? I think you
Shubham is
can
already said
said.
Docker.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
then
we had somebody, right? Forgot.
Raviteja alone he is
Anudip,
there.
Anudip, Anudip.
Uh, But primary person
we-
cannot be
It's
deep.
Mhm.
So Ravi, where you
Right,
will be interested in?
Yeah.
Definitely not documentation, I am
Okay.
sure. But where? Maybe you can search for that 10th one, or if you have any interest, you can tell. No, it's not a like forcing.
Yeah, 10th one is actually it should be like a part of the storing of the data, like any DML operations.
Like
But
cron
we
job
can
under cron job, it will be involved.
Yes,
It's
yes,
not
it will
like
be,
a
yeah.
local server. It will
Yes.
be like online.
So shall I put in cron job only? Cron job on MongoDB?
Yes, it can be.
Yeah, now
You can add me in cronjob and MongoDB. I will try
Okay.
to work on MongoDB one.
Okay.
Okay, and okay, sure. And you know, right, the scrap and everything, you know, so that's also
the task is clear, right, for you. MongoDB, it is not taking the database into local system and saving there. So every time that when new data comes, whatever the scrapping data which we have, it has to run in the background, and the database has to be stored in that online database. From there again, that cron job coming into picture, so that that retraining of the model, it will be taken from that database.
Okay.
So maybe I can say like this: automating the scrapping part and storing the database in a online cloud place. That much I can say. After that, maybe Sripati can look into that, getting the database from online, and after that, just retraining the model, how it can be done, a scheduled retraining model.
Okay, sure.
Okay, then Lakshmi, since the tasks itself we are seeing it different, right? Make it first that MongoDB and then Cronjob, so that
okay, sure.
so so that we can contact first point of contact Raviteja. We will see, and then
Yeah, actually, cron job. Okay, that's also cron job means like a MongoDB comes and everything.
Yeah. Okay.
Retrain.
Retraining everything will
Yes.
come
Yes.
there.
Yeah. No problem. And
Okay.
who else?
Actually, we need one person who will coordinate explicitly on documentation. If at all.
I can also work on retraining model, like incremental models and all
Who?
this.
Shubham.
Subrat?
Shubham.
Okay, sorry, Shubham.
I also wanna work on Docker. I will work on both, like
Okay,
model
sure.
model retraining and Docker.
Okay.
And another thing, we are assigning some specific task to one person, means it does not mean they can work. They cannot work on other tasks. They are free to work. Even we will be sharing. Everybody in this team, they know. Like we are conducting meetings weekly, and we are sharing what others are doing, what technical things it is there inside. So everybody can share their views on each
And
every
main thing
task.
is that like the ours we are the point of contact. So we were putting here, so we can involve others also. The new team, everybody we can involve there.
Correct.
Corresponding
So
task.
who will be like coming on and off, or like other team members who are there, like who want some guidelines, they can like take the roles, means whoever the first point of contact is, they can contact them and they can take the work or guidelines. And documentation, I can say, like whoever taking that responsibility, right, give it to them, that will be fine.
Yeah, corresponding task. Yes, actually but we have right from first we have from project high HDL from like project introduction, data scrapping. So those also there, right? So at least even for with a new team member, will take one person. At least he will be owning that documentation. He will have rest of task, but he will follow up on the documentations.
Hey, Ishwar and
Yeah, Priyanshu, go
Sri
ahead.
Priyanshu this side. Yep. So Sri, regarding the documentation, I want to know, like in documentation, we have to cover all these stuff, like the 10 action items, we have 9 or 10 action items. We have to put it in a serial wise, right? Like for example, project introduction, then how we are evolving the data, working with data, then all the things, how we are doing the modeling, correct? These are the things. Then the like the same thing we used to do earlier, like about the kind of a project guide.
Yeah,
Yes,
product
yes,
guide.
yes.
It will be like descriptive,
Okay, so
explaining each
then
and
I
every
think,
step involved in that.
yeah. So I think then we have to work like the member has to work with all of the
Yes. Yes, that person actually, that person like he has to own that documentation. He may not do the
member
documentation.
has to work with all
Hey,
of the.
Lakshmi,
Yes,
this is Shripati, yeah.
yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Documentation part, I will take care with all of you.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
So that warning actually that you may not do, but you should initiate like each and
Guidelines.
everything. You assign to some people work on
That is
that
what,
and to
like
make it. Yeah.
documentation, like from scratch, I will start and then coordinate with each
Okay.
and everyone. Like,
And I will share the sample documentation which I got from Paul previously. I think
But what
I will
is the
share that.
output from Shivani? Still now she hasn't updated. That is not good yet. At
Uh,
least she can throw whatever she has done, and we can pick from that place.
documentation, no need to share any this sample and all, Lakshmi.
okay.
Already, like I have hell lots of
Okay.
document with me.
Okay. Okay.
That's
So
good then. That's
And you
good.
can take some other people's also.
today itself, I got another new document. You know, the project I have started now.
Okay.
So
Then
today again,
Sripati, whoever like involving in some specific task, right? So push to them like whatever samples you are having, right? Just ask. I want the output in this way. Take guidelines from this one and reference from that one, and try to make like that. So that they, whenever they feel like there is some good points they gathered, they will keep on updating that one.
sure, I will do that. I will do that
So,
because
and also
yeah.
and also actually we have weekly meeting, right, with other team
Mm,
members like a Sunday or something. The
mm.
like expectation is they need to present some documentation there and a little bit coding and little bit documentation. Not at all orally, but they should present some documentation at least
No,
whatever they
that
you
is
are able
what
to.
like, how the project plan will go
Yes,
and
yes.
what are the things are needed. Like there will
Mm,
be index in that
mm.
everything will be fit in.
Correct.
Okay.
And that is what I'm telling you now. Today only I started another project.
Okay.
So
Okay. Okay.
don't be worried on that part. I'm working
Okay.
now. Fortunately, like it's kind of thing like I working today. I've been assigned as senior data scientist in my team.
Oh,
Oh,
nice.
So
good. Good.
that is what uh, things are coming my way. I will learn lots of things here and then going to be given to you all. Don't worry.
Okay. Okay. Good. I think we'll
So,
fill actually all the remaining tasks actually for now. I think.
so yeah, this cron job is something new I'm hearing. So sorry to say, like I didn't see it in past, but I will explore that and we'll see to like what can be done on that. Because the thing is, what I wanted to iterate here is we should not be sticking to the generic way of doing data science here. Now things are changing very tremendously. Like everybody should start looking towards cloud first thing first. So any on-premise kind of stuff start removing from the working part. So I'm seeing like Heroku, AWS, GCP, Azure is coming now. So that part will be crucial here. We have to get into that at the earliest.
Actually, we are at that stage. Modeling, we part we say like we have done sufficient. Okay, now
Hmm.
only deployment also it is like a little task. It is not like a big task. Then whatever the rest of the task, right, which we have to explore more and how to like
Hmm.
do whatever you are telling, right. That is the thing which was left out. Even which we have not thought in iNeuron by iNeuron. So we have to explore the things, we have to share knowledge together, and we have to like do the things, something like that it is.
Got it. Got it. So that is where I wanted to understand where we are right now. If modeling has been done, then next phase will be like recreating the thing like what you said now. We have to retrain with the new data and all, and we have to see whether the accuracy is getting as expected.
So
So those things are
I
there.
will brief, since you are missing from past few meetings, right? I will brief. Okay. So modeling,
Mm.
you know, you are involved. You are also involved, and you have done some part
Mm.
of it. So that part, it is ARIMA, WProfit, LSTM, Auto ARIMA, even Nike has done. Okay. So
Mm.
this part is going. It will not stop. We cannot say it was completed. Okay, it will be going till even the last documentation part itself. Okay, because maybe somewhere we will be missing some new research papers, some new things may come up. So that is the parallel task which will be continuing, but we will not stick and stick to that task. So taking the parallel activity, we will be running all the things, because we have already done with some models, right? So taking those models output, and we can do deployment part and whatever the rest of the task, so that whichever best model we feel like we finalize, then we will repeat the task again for that one.
Got it. And this Docker and Kubernetes, it has come in the picture.
Yes. So
So are we going to use that also?
yes, even that from Inuran, they're also pushing to do that.
No, that is expected now, because mostly containerization is happening everywhere. Like, so, okay, yeah.
So again, the
Good.
Priyanshu, Srikanth, and whoever it is mentioned, like Rajesh, okay, they are also exploring that research papers. They have gone through some research papers, and they will share their reviews now. That part, coming whatever models we have listed out, parallel to that, they are working to collect some other models, best models, whichever research papers, recent research is going on. So if
Again on
possible,
time series or out of
same,
like
same,
time
same,
series?
same with this, whatever API we are doing that one. Because
Okay.
these we know, like Arima, these things and all we know, but we haven't gone through like research papers, right? At least we gone through, and if there is something like new which can be done, at least we will freeze can be done or cannot be done, or whatever
But
we
we
have
are
considered.
sticking to the same domain, right? AQI only.
Correct.
Have we thought of getting into some other project, like different business problem?
Other project we are already doing, right? With our
No, that is
team.
what, even if it is like we are going with new algorithms for time series, let's
So,
let's
sorry.
have a thought of having some different business problem. That is what, like,
That
again,
can be done.
AQ.
That can be done, but thing is, if we at least align this thing, right? Now
Hmm.
some new things came up. Okay, what we thought initially, and what at this point, it is like some new points came up. We will like try to align that one. Okay,
Hmm.
so then we will
So
like
what is
take
the
some.
ETA for this to complete? Is for like what, any deadline we have thought of,
that
like
that
wrapping everything?
see that even that deadlines, even from Inuran, we have pressure to like announce those dates and try to stick to those dates. Thing is, but
Hmm.
from our side, we are not fully dedicated to the task, and not doing up to the mark because of some XY reasons. Okay, so
Hmm.
that's why we are not like saying, we are just passing like okay, we will give it like that. Still now we haven't given. But what my the phase what we are going now, my estimation, even with Lakshmi, I have thought minimum 1 month, maximum 2 months it will take to
Got
complete
it.
A to Z with Docker's
So
Kubernetes.
any like process flow we have made, like roughly, like going forward, how things will look. Again, like web development, GUI deployment, everything is in the picture. How these things are like pipelined? Have we thought on that?
Pipeline with respect to like
With respect to the priority on the task, like which has to be done first, and then accordingly.
see, now whatever task, whichever from task 4 it is there, everything is going to be done in a parallel way now at present. Only thing,
Mm.
one like GUI part will have dependency to other things like uh, database, whatever it is you are telling. Okay, but what our plan is, take every activity, like take that research papers, it will be going parallel. Okay, web development, it can be done parallel. GUI, it is part. Deployment also can be done, but it will have dependency of that GUI kind of thing. But I can say those 5 656, whatever it was mentioned, 17, 18, 19. These can be done as a single task, that can be done parallelly with the other tasks. Okay, and MongoDB cron job, it also can be done. There is no limit for that. And documentation can be done. Docker Kubernetes can be explored, but I cannot say it cannot be done. But since we are totally new to that one, right, we can say that at least what can be done, what is workflow, that we can decide on that one. Only thing Docker and Kubernetes I can see. Rest of the
No,
things can
Docker
be done
and
parallelly.
Kubernetes, like in my last project I have worked on, how it works I can explain, and
Mm.
then how things will be taken care of from that. That also I can help in that.
Mm.
But anyway, it's fine.
But
That is where I'm feeling like,
my simple question, that Docker and Kubernetes, what will be the inputs to that one, means to start working on that? What is the expected inputs for that one?
look, Docker and Kubernetes is something, function as a service it is getting used. It is like more on independent of the platform and the
Correct.
operating system.
Mm.
So it is just the way, like how much you want to work on, the consumption will happen. And the moment your work stopped, that whatever the resource you have taken, it will be taken off. So it's mostly on cost part, and at the same time, getting more flexibility in terms of independent platform. So that is where people are moving. But yeah, now things are like in cloud, everything is available. So people are trying every, like in cloud itself, you will get notebook, you will get, even people are writing notebook and straight away it is getting deployed. No need to do any, in between stuff also. That is also happening in that industry.
Mm.
So things are there. That's the reason I'm asking, like priorities wise, what are the thing are there in the list which we will start, expediting on, and then based on that, the next action will be done. So anything will be fine. Docker and Kubernetes can be explored. That is another. It's actually part of DevOps, which is now getting into MLOps. Now the term MLOps is there. So when you will get into data science industry, you will not get to work on this Docker and Kubernetes directly. If you are on a larger platform, then MLOps team will be sitting and they will be taking care of those. You have to create the pickle file, and that pickle file will be taken care from there on. So that is how we have to understand the requirement also, and learning graph, like which way we want to learn on. So,
So then,
but
if it depends only on the pickle file, then we can even explore that in a parallel way, right?
definitely we
Mm.
should use Docker and Kubernetes. We should explore that option, deploy the things, and get the result done. I'm not asking to stop that.
No, no, no.
Start exploring that
My
also.
kind of thing is that pipeline, whatever thing which you have asked. So
Hmm.
the task, whichever it is listed out from 4 to 10, it can be given at the same time. From now, what whoever assigned, they can work
Hmm.
without any holding point. So
Yeah, so if we are clear on model part, then definitely try to deploy it and get the new data and just see where the accuracy is. If we are getting the accuracy, we are done. Apart from that, other topics are like not directly relevant on those. That is like part of, infrastructure, also part of backend thing also. So that way you can take a call on this. As a team can take a call on this. Yeah, exploring research paper is good. Like we will have more option in terms of new algorithms and all. That is again like everything is in place. Only we have to change the model part. That is going to work out. Web development and GUI, how the plan is on that, like how the presentation will be there on the user interface, that has to be decided. What input will be given and how the output will come, that designing part will be there. So things are, and deployment on cloud is like we have seen. So that can also be done and can be shown as a part of project that we have done on the cloud. So deployment is important. From MongoDB, cron job, and this Docker and Kubernetes, I still a little confused on that. I'm like how we are going to so that part, let me understand. I will give my input. Documentation is like overall, it's nothing to do with this, that we have to do anyway to make a right project detailing.
so only those two tasks, right? We can like only to explore itself. We have to spend more time on that. That is
Hmm.
the only bad thing. Remaining thing, everybody is like clear what will be there, what we have to do, what inputs need to be done, what is the expected things. Those it is clear.
Right. So that is where I am having a request try to wrap this AQI at the earliest, and now we are very much closer. It's like pre-processing takes time, and then modeling is there. Rest of the thing we can expedite and complete, and then even if we are starting a new project, then we should be having a different business problem. That is what like my thought is. Let's get into more closer to the
Sripati, we cannot hold saying that we have to just complete this and then start explore a new problem statement, because maybe this week we can like stuck up somewhere and it may drag up to some extended dates.
that is totally fine. If that will be the case, definitely we will have to work and do the things whatever it is needed. But yeah,
If
the end
you
goal
have
should be
some
like,
idea on this like time series or some other thing, already we have started, that is secondary. But in this itself time series, you have some idea like we have to like explore some new business problem, just come up with that one, then definitely we will try to start working on that.
that is what that project today I have started is again on time series, and it is from retail. I have to forecast the demand.
Then it's good na, share your thing.
That's
Then
the reason I'm telling.
share
Do
your
it
thing.
fast, then
Because
we'll do it.
see, sometimes what will happen, exploring itself, it will sometimes it will take more time. So sometimes only it will take discussions to take the output. So we cannot say we have to like come out of one thing and do the thing. At least
No. I'm
we'll
not
look into
asking
the,
to leave it,
we will
and
look
I'm
into
not
it. We
asking
will
to
look
leave
into
it.
it. Then
Yeah,
we
yeah.
will like decide. So we will prioritize like which task when like that. Even we will look into it, and after that we will decide. That will be also fine.
Yeah, I think meeting is going to be over in 2 minutes.
Then we will restart, because Priyanshu, they want to like have some thoughts on that research papers.
Okay,
And
okay.
Ishwar, and one more thing. Actually, we need to add some more like active people from the existing team to do the task, so that they will not blame or actually
The
waiting for that
Priyanshu,
set of task.
Rajesh, already two people it is there, right?
Yes, yes.
Ah,
The remaining, actually, you said some screenshot, right? People are there who are enthusiastic to
the, yeah,
asking for the assignment of task. We'll
that
assign them.
that first few days, maybe everybody will be very anxiety to do the things.
So for
Okay.
that one, actually, we can give the SVM. Actually, we have model style SVM random forest. We can ask them to implement the data on these two models.
Yeah,
Anyway, we have.
yeah, that can be done.
Hmm.
So make Priyanshu as a host, so that even Priyanshu, when
I think it'll go to end, right? So
or else let's restart now itself and the meeting,
yes,
and
yes.
rejoin with the same link, so that we can have some 40 minutes.
Okay, sure. I'll stop sharing.
Please rejoin with the same link, guys. So only 1 minute
Okay. I
left
mean,
now.
shall I end this call?
End it now, so that we will rejoin.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, fine.
Ishwar, I did not understand that my task. Can you repeat again?
See, whatever scrapping you have done, right?
MongoDB.
Scrapping you have done, right?
MongoDB.
Scrapping task you have
Yes,
done, right?
yes.
That part we are doing in the collab or in our local system, okay? So that is fine for a one-time job, okay? But we want it as a like scheduled task, okay? So if you say every week some task has to be done automatically, then that scrapping task will be done, okay? After getting that, whatever CSV file whichever you are doing, instead of CSV it will be stored in that server.
Okay.
Okay, from there again that data will be fetched for retraining the model.
Okay.
So it will be totally on the cloud. There will be no thing locally we will be doing the things.
Okay. But whenever we are deploying the model in Heroku or anywhere in third-party websites, there we will be uploading our .h5 model file, right?
Yes. So even that
So,
also it will be there some like server whatever it is there. So that is what clone task it is coming into the picture. So everything it will be taken online, not from the local system.
mhm. Okay, so every time it will rerun the model and it will save the updated H5 file. You mean
Correct.
to tell?
Correct.
Okay, let us see.
Just explore. Things
Yes,
can be
yes.
moved initially, but we can share
Mm, okay.
I want to make Priyanshu as host, right? Where is he?
Shall I present something, Ishwar? Can you
Srikanth?
make me host?
Yeah, make me.
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow we are doing scratches.
No.
I'm sharing my screen. Are you able to view my screen?
Yeah. Yes, we is good.
Yeah. So I am referring this paper currently. Okay. So this is from this one actually, International Journal for Innovative Research. Okay. So we are referring this one. They actually gave some sort of levels to decide, based on the level of, based on the range of AQI, whether it can be categorized as a good, satisfactory, or this thing or not.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
So having this, what I did is that on this particular CSV file, I run this particular like how many then I again classified this particular AQA into different levels basically. So what I see is that for the good level I got only 63 entries, but for the moderately polluted I got around 8600 or something. I feel that this good data is relatively less actually. So like did we already did this during the model building or something, like some sort of imputation already happened? I just wanted to know on this.
Imputation part it was done, but whatever you are showing, right? So from where you have taken these data sets?
Data set, huh?
It's
This
a PCHIP only data set.
Yeah,
It's a
yeah.
PCHIP data set.
Yes, yes,
same
yes,
same
yes, yes,
okay.
yes.
Then imputation part we have done. So
Okay, okay, okay.
what is your
Is
now
a
doubt?
Delhi, right? Delhi. There's a area is Delhi. Actually, we
Exactly,
Anand
forget,
Vihar.
correct, correct.
obviously, data
Anand
was
Vihar.
also, yeah, should be
Oh,
same as that one. I feel.
okay, okay. Maybe I can try with maybe some other location or something to see this proper to have at least some sophisticated data so that I can try my any of the algorithms or something. That's I just wanted to check.
But what is the problem? I didn't understand exactly here.
No,
Is this
I just wanted to check like how this unbalanced data has been imputed. Maybe so that I can use the same technology in my current solution, and I can build on models and all. That's what I just wanted to check.
unbalanced means? What is the problem? Still, I didn't get it. Unbalanced, you are saying like good values are very less and moderated is very
Yes,
more, right? So
yes, yes, yes.
so whatever you are going to predict, it will be like coming to moderate mostly.
Exactly.
Mm.
So if I want to predict the good level, it will be obviously less
Correct.
because I have less entries on that.
Mm. So, so if the data set
So
itself it is like that, then you cannot uh,
no,
escape from
is
it,
there
right? That is
a way to get this data at least? Because is there a way to scrap in some way, or I that's what, like,
mean,
is there a way to balance it or something,
if you
or
are
No,
what
Srikant, that is not going to be the solution. No, if you are going to balance, then it is something like you are trying to do some overfitting here. So what we have the data, we have to work on that. Whatever the quality of data is there and the result is coming, we have to showcase that only. We can't make data to look good or the result to look good. We have to get the data what we have. And then the other thing what I'm saying, like you have taken the condition from a research paper, right?
Yes, yes,
And putting that in the code, but that research
exactly.
paper, on what basis they have calculated their AQI? Have you ever seen like it is the same thing what we have here in India? Because
Mm,
that is what you have taken the range only.
Yeah.
But this is something from which country this AQI has been calculated, if it is the same from India or somewhere else, and the criteria like what they have used, the parameter in terms of calculating it.
That perhaps to be checked actually.
Yeah, so those are the
Yeah,
things we have to
that will be
consider
helpful.
This
while
IND
taking a
Okay.
AQI
problem.
has 6 categories. That is India only. Where above the table 1, it was
Ah,
Yeah,
mentioned
ah,
like
also this one, this CPCB
ah,
should be part of this is
correct.
part of India
So
only. Yeah.
yeah, then totally fine. Then this condition is okay to go with the one we have. But
Mm-hmm.
when it comes to the result, what you're seeing, good is having less number. That is
Mm-hmm.
because of the data we have, uh, because of the
And also
policy.
for me, actually, what I can so first, actually, you can proceed with the current data and make it to
Okay.
finalize. So then you can think of other data. So because at least you try with the complete data what was scrapped already.
Okay.
So
Okay.
you
Okay.
can you
Okay.
can do once it's completed, you finally say that it is. So you, even though you are trying for
Mm-hmm.
forecasting many data, still you are getting moderate or different one, which is totally
Got it.
varying
Got it. Got it.
in website CPC.
Mm-hmm.
Then you can think of, yes, one, this data is, this model is not working, what you tried, then you can think of the rest of the one. So initially if
Yeah.
you go with a different data, definitely it will lag time.
Mm-hmm. Got it. Yeah, I got it, Lakshmi. I got your point. Yeah. Yeah. We'll try that. Thank you, anyways.
Anything else from anyone?
means in this research paper means I have like a question in this research paper you have gone through or fully or you are in mid of it.
No, it is not fully Ishwar.
Okay. So at least
I'm,
which algorithms is being used there considering
Can
something
you
like
scroll down? We'll see, Srikant. Can you scroll down this
yes,
research paper?
yes.
Yeah, so that you'll know if you have anything. You understood any which model, like any custom model or anything they are using on this one?
No, I guess he's actually dealing with.
As I
No,
feel that he is only describing the data as per the
exactly.
overall I see just
There are
one.
other papers, where they are talking about this, sort of some sort of regression models and
Yes,
some
yes.
sort of
That,
CNNs actually.
yeah, you can
Okay,
put more effort on that one because the
okay.
understanding of the data. This one.
Mm-hmm.
but problem statement you are
Got it.
completely clear of, right, Srikant?
Yes, Ishwar. Yes.
So then you can skip when you are doing going through multiple
Mm.
papers, right? You can skip that
Yeah.
part and concentrate only that what new they are doing with that modeling kind of thing.
Yeah, I got it. I got it. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Just thinking how.
So coming back, Aman, you have worked with LSTM, right? You already showed some thing and all those.
Yes, yes.
So, like whatever pickle file, what are the things required for deployment part? Can you make those things ready?
Pickle file I can make if
Whatever
yeah,
accuracy,
I
let
can.
it be. Okay. Whatever things
Okay.
required for deployment, right? Make those things and try to put that in that common drive or share in WhatsApp
Okay.
Grover group. So that now whoever going to work on that task, they will just refer. They will not wait for the input again.
Okay. Okay. I will
I think
save the model.
Aman himself is going to work on deployment.
Then it is
Yeah,
clear,
I'm
na? It's happy.
which LSTM model you are using?
LSTM. I'm using simple LSTM.
Okay, and have you tried out
Time series.
that?
Time series
No, no.
LSTM.
Uh, have you tried out that stacked LSTM, vanilla LSTM, those?
No. Stacked LSTM. I think I am working on.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think we should also try. There are other LSTMs also.
Yeah, bidirectional LSTM and all this.
Yes, yes.
So modeling part, definitely we will discuss, but when we like whatever new task coming up, right, we'll try to look more into those things for at least one or two meetings, next meets. Then whatever like you have been worked on, what can be done with the modeling part, what best can be done, we will come back and we will work on that one.
And Ishwar, have we kept the complete code in one place so that if somebody want to test or validate it can be taken and straight away can be run on Jupyter Notebook or Colab?
That whatever with iNeuron it is there, so those repository I have placed in that their Google Drive. Okay, so what we think is we can make a folder there itself, so we can just update the files. Or else second thing, if we internally what we are doing, like if it is like no need to mash up that drive like that, if you think, then we have already have different repo, right, which you have created.
So I mean to say end to end, like if we will keep that to code and if we see like how things are moving, that will be helpful.
Means what are the things you read? Like modeling part alone, you mean to say like
No,
Arima
no,
means one file like that,
yeah. That is
right?
what like if.
So Arima, I think it is already uploaded in our internal repository. Okay, and LSTM, I think Aman already updated once. I don't know. Aman, just give your comments there. So if it
Okay,
is
okay,
not,
I will update you.
we will update in that internal thing, kind of thing, what whichever we are sharing, right? That we will update each and every file internally which we are working. We will update it there so that everybody can look into the code, or which is what they have done there. Even
Okay.
a FB
Yeah.
profile in it, everybody is worked. Like most of the guys have hands on. They can. It also can be updated. Even Nike, he has worked multiple things. Nike.
Yeah, Subrat has pinged me lots of thing on WhatsApp. I
Yeah.
said
Yeah.
little busy with my stuff, so sorry to say like I will not be able to spare much. But yeah, after like Monday onwards, I will start contributing whatever it is needed from my end.
Yes, yes. I have worked with that auto time series and doing some searching on LSTM.
Mm-hmm.
Just to keep update our files in that repository, like your name and
Okay.
whatever model. Okay, so that at least we will have some list of the things. Okay, in Excel we have what are the models. So same, if somebody wants to see the code of it, they want to take over it, then they can copy it and they can work over it.
Okay, okay. I will update it.
So Lakshmi, any other thing like task wise? Again, we are discussing multiple times, but things are not moving. At least this time, when we are going to meet and what
So
we will be
actually,
expecting.
Sunday we'll be meeting again, right? So anyway, we have like 4 days. So Sunday, the expectation like what we so corresponding task which is assigned, right? At least we'll go through that what was assigned to us, and we have a plan how we can move forward on that one. Like a presentation, if we want to present, so I feel that some documentation, at least as a basic one. If at all we tried any code, you can present that one. But presentation is mandatory. You can put it.
Yeah,
It's my idea.
presentation is mandatory. And second thing, see from my neuron, they're asking like documentation one thing, deadlines another thing, and research papers, what new it is been, and after that Dockers and Kubernetes. These things they are
So,
stressing
so
a lot.
actually with these 4 days, at least we'll know how much time it takes approximately. So on
That.
Sunday, we can put the date there,
Oh,
start and
okay.
end date.
So Sunday, like same team or
No,
with everybody, right? So
Yes, yes.
whoever doing that current tasks, they will be understanding that task completely, and how much things are, what are the things it is there, and what is the time
Yes.
it will take, they will decide it and they will try to present
Yes.
something on it.
So, and also, for example, if I'm presenting with a Docker or Kubernetes, still I need to explore. I don't know much on that. So, if I'm exploring, if what all I can ask any other teams there only, like people, new people. If anybody want to join, we can take that name there only.
Okay.
So directly. So I can add. So the same thing for other thing also. They can. So because I know that without them, I know how much time it takes. I should be knowing how much time it takes and what are the things I need to do with my with me or a couple of people.
That is
So if we add some new one,
generally man hours they will say, so you
yes,
with single person they will calculate. After that, if you have two people, then they definitely they
yes,
will like simple calculate and they will do it.
yes, yes. The plan is with ourselves, with the core team currently what we are doing, we need to explain with if you work how much time it takes. That's a plan we can give it on Sunday. We can involve other joiners also because we should not stop them. So I'll also announce that if at all anybody want to join in the corresponding work Docker and Kubernetes, they can join on that. So if at the same way, if you are working on web app, you can invite people who are interested on that, they can add it. So nobody can blame next thing that we did not assigned any task, we did not ask for any task.
So plan is the first priority, and second thing is some progress on it. What has been done, and they have to pay.
Okay.
And again, as I told, Annuran is like stressing to present the things which we have done. Okay, I have shared already that video link, KT session thing, and the course. I think that repository don't have again this course which we have worked. Okay, like what even our internal repo which is missing, right? Same thing is missing there also. So it will be good at least if we have update those files there.
Yes, we should upload it there.
So
At least
so
in
that
Google Drive, which they share it as.
Google Drive also it will be fine.
Yes.
Repository it is good because I feel like whenever we want we can just directly open and we can show this is what we have done.
Okay.
Google Drive
Yeah,
means
that
again
also fine.
we have to
So we'll,
open.
yeah, Google Drive only will put it then. That's our GitHub.
Yeah, GitHub. So Aman and Nayak, you have access, right? Direct access to push the code, or you don't have?
Yes, we
I have
access.
uploaded on GitHub or GitHub Alex
Our
Explore.
GitHub. Okay. What about Anjur? You have access, or you don't have access?
Yeah, I have access.
You have access, right? Then if you feel like comfortable, push it there also, so that even Preeti or some other also have done, right? Even they can also, like even Shubham, he has also done a great job. He can push there. We will try to keep some folder like what we are maintaining here. Same thing we will do it there. Whatever the testing folder or notebooks folder, we'll push everything there. And after that, if anybody questions directly, we will open, and this is what we can say. Let it be like accuracy more or less, don't bother about it, but some progress what has been done on the modeling part. So any other thing like Sripati, Narayana?
No, Ishwar, I can. Yeah.
Even I'm done, sure.
Yeah, then
I have to pick it up because I'm little,
Oh,
in the middle
no
of
problem.
everything. So
Yeah, sure.
you guys carry on. I will be listening, and then we'll try to pace up on the things.
Yeah, okay. Anyhow, we are also done with the things. Any other like Shivam, Shrikant?
Somebody was working on FB Profit hyperparameter tuning. I don't know who was working. There is no update on that.
Somebody who is that?
How could it be like somebody worked and team is not aware?
Yeah, that is, see, I'm sure.
Like it was decided to explore hyperparameter tuning on hourly data in FB Profit.
Did you remember who was talking about that? The name?
No, I don't remember the name.
If it is from that girls, right, definitely it cannot be done. Okay, if it is internal team, you can they easily we can able to find it out. At least
It's okay if nobody has worked on it. It's okay. This can be taken as one task. Like from the
Yeah,
modeling.
modeling part anyhow we are splitting that also. It is not we are totally avoiding it. Whoever available we will be assigning one model and research papers after when we conclude that this research paper is good, we will be giving to one person. So modeling it is a parallel task. It will be going on. So we'll try to do it that also. Then good. I think let's meet on Sunday again with the total team.
Sunday is for you. You guys can carry on. Sunday, my again 2 papers I said it's there,
Yeah.
no? So
Yeah.
I will complete that, and then Monday onwards, whatever the meeting is there, I will get in, and task wise I will start taking.
Yeah. Okay. No issue.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. Thanks. Thanks for joining, guys.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you, everyone.
Yeah. Bye.
Good night. Bye bye.
Thank you, everyone.